We are all getting ready for opening weekend right now. Everybody's busy. We actually had a very exciting event last Saturday. We had the filmmakers from the movie 50 to 1 came out and they brought the actors from the movie. The producer was here, and Mind That Bird, who was the subject of the film. Mind That Bird was actually the 2009 Kentucky Derby winner, and fans were able to come out and see the horse, take pictures with them, and meet the cast. Opening night is Thursday night, April 10th, and then Friday night we have Josh Abbott Band in concert after the races. Our concert nights are always a popular night. Everybody can catch the races and then live music afterwards. Saturday night is the ever popular Gary Allan in concert. He's always a big fan favorite, and we always pack the house on nights when we have him here. So most of the fans can come out, watch the races, and then catch Gary Allan.